Yes, sir, and I say we back in season. Look at it, looking great. The nice stripes laid down on it, guys. And year 5, I'm loving it.
Start smoking.
Long time no see you guys, but we are back. 5th year in lawn care. Made it another year. So leave a comment what you guys feel like you made it. What year is it? Year 3? Year 5? Or maybe you did good in year 1. Let me know. All right, this is the first one we got of the season, guys, and this is actually my first weekly property. And he's been with me for 3 years now. And I call it my first weekly property because he was my first person that I got that actually put a card on file. So it's kind of soft over here. It's been raining. Yeah, I got some fresh mulch done in the wintertime. Got it looking good. But we're going to get this thing knocked out. Get you around here to the back. So what are you guys doing this year? Is everything weekly? Are you still going to have some bi-weeklies on the schedule? Let me know. That's what the back looks like. And you see in the back over here, we got a tree back there that fell, limb. So we're going to have to move it around when we cut. So let's get to it. 5 years in the game now, man, I feel like I can give you some game. And number one, I'm gonna start with, know the real reason why you're doing this. Know why you got into it. And don't be trying to follow no trends. And once you get into it, don't quit your job, man. Make sure you keep that income coming in until you can replace the other income. Because in a business, the cash is gonna be like oxygen. Without no oxygen, your business ain't gonna breathe. So that's number one. Number 2, once you start getting equipment, start backing up everything. From the truck to the trailer to the everything. Just back up everything. You never know when it's gonna go down. And you can't be calling nobody else to have equipment. That's part of what you're supposed to be able to manage. Next thing I do is don't pay attention to no one else's progress. Go buy you some mirrors and keep your eyes on the prize, which is you. It's the only thing you need to worry about is you. Did you do better than last year? Did you do better than last month? Did you do better than yesterday? That's the only competition. Only thing you need to pay attention to is yourself. Next, have your plan and stick to it. Distractions gonna come outside of the business. And you gotta be able to stick to that plan and don't get distracted. I'm telling you, it happens. You can ask from the best guy to the worst guy. If you can't focus and you let them distractions get in the way, it's gonna take you out of here. You gotta focus on one thing at a time. And then you can't give up when this shit gets hard. It's then time to start using your brain. This ain't easy and it ain't for the weak. It's almost like how you hated school. Nobody likes school. But you find something in school to keep you coming back. Look at the business the same way. Yes, sir, and I say we back in season. Look at it, looking great. The nice stripes laid down on it, guys. And year 5, I'm loving it. Yeah, so it looks good, guys. Show you the back. That's what the back looks like. Got it knocked down, so. Man, how many seasons you guys got in? Me, like I said, year 5. Feels great to be in year 5. I planned on year 5, and now I'm here. And so, 1 second. Get this gate closed. Yeah, guys, I plan on year 5, now we're here. Now, this is when you work on your 10-year plan. We don't plan on stopping. I plan on going. So, lawn care, lawn maintenance, landscaping, this is your life. And when this is your life, you always need to take a way to sit back and find out how to level up on it. All right, guys, so just got done doing this one across the street, and the lady come and told me to take a look at hers. So we're gonna look at it. And this is what I mean when I tell you guys, just show up, just be there, just be available. Because if you can stay available and just be there, you'll end up getting jobs, man, out of nowhere. So she walked up on me. Well, she actually didn't walk up on me. I was getting ready to blow off the grass on the other yard. And she pulled up. She said, here, I'm gonna leave a sticky note for you to leave on my door and give us a price. Leave your number and get back with us. So that's where we're at now. We're gonna take a look at the back. She says it's got a lot of weed eating. It's a pretty nice sized yard, as you can see. And when I used to be across the street last year, I would always look at this yard and would hope that one guy or two people, three people in this neighborhood would call me or end up pulling up and give me more work just by being out here at the yard across the street. And like I say, from being consistent, being available, there it is. So you have to get back here and stuff. It's a pretty nice size yard. So we'll give her a fair price. See what we can do on it. And I got a feeling with a lot of the older customers, you guys let me know. When you get a lot of these older customers, these guys, they don't want to pay with card on file. So yes, you have to kind of arrange a way to get their cash and do business still without losing business that you could be having coming in. Because I mean, if I'm gonna be right across the street and I'm gonna got one people paying me on card on file and they're paying me without the card on file with cash, hey, still all good to me. So, and this is a pretty nice neighborhood to be in, guys. A lot of work right here. I don't know about all this work, if they'll need it or not, but we'll try to upsell it to them. And after that cut over there, we're gonna go across the street still, and we're gonna look at the other yard because they wanna do some mulching, get it dropped down. And last year they had somebody else do the mulching for them. And I was the guy who was actually cutting the yard, so I don't know if it's the neighbor's side. It's a funny, okay, here we go. Property line right there. It's gonna be right there. And you got your other property line going on, well, the other side going all the way down there. So far, what you've seen, what you guys will give me on a weekly quote on this, let me know. I'm gonna get over here to these two over here, if you can see them across the street, and I'm gonna check out their mulch and check out the weeds that need to be pulled. Now, and you can see, drop some mulch probably right there. Get all in the front coming around. It's gonna need mulching. We get back here, you'll see these weeds. Need all these pulled up. So we'll give them a price on pulling the weeds. Give them a price on the mulch. You guys let me know what you think. What will be your price? Let me know. Leave your comments, help some guys out. I'm in my 5th year, you got a lot of guys in the 1st year. Help them out.